Today's video, I'm going to share with you some easy, simple, budget-friendly lunches idea that you can make under 20 minutes for the family. Let's get into it.
Lunch number one is baked pan eggs. I use 5 eggs for this recipe. You can use as many as you want, and I'm also adding some seasoning. I spray the pan with some avocado oil and add my smoked Haitian herrings. You can use sausage or bacon for this recipe, but I didn't have any of these things. I use what I have and add my veggies, cheese, and eggs. Bake for 15 minutes or until brown. Voila, it smells amazing and tastes delicious. I will definitely make this next week. I'm going to use my 4 containers to store my food, so I will be eating them with bagels at work, so I have it for 4 days. Lunch number 2 is turkey and black bean taco. This easy and healthy taco recipe is perfect for your family's taco night or lunch. You will need lean ground turkey, black beans, taco seasoning. I use seasoning that I already have in the pantry, like cumin, garlic, onion powder, and all-purpose seasoning. I mix everything together and add your favorite veggies. I use tomatoes and also bell pepper.
He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am,
I add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and some water and stir to evenly distribute and coat the ground turkey and black beans.
throwing away my old ways, something that I gotta do. I gotta get the
You can serve on taco shells or tortillas with your favorite taco toppings. I will store the leftover taco filling that fully cooled in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days, or freeze if I prefer to keep it for later. Lunch number 3 is 1 pot, 1 turkey spaghetti. You will need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, lean ground turkey. Once it's ready, I add my tomato sauce and some water.
because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands.
I will make sure to link this recipe in the description box below.
My life in your hands. All my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading.
God started revealing this revelation. I had to upgrade the title. It's gonna be trading faith. It's gonna take you trading.
This step is optional. I choose to add onion in mine. I love it with onions, but you can choose to add whatever toppings you like. You can serve it with cheese or parsley. I'll be eating it with 1 egg, and here it is. It's delicious. For lunch number 4, I'll be making old-fashioned chicken soup. I'm using tomatoes, malanga, bell pepper. I want it to be more filling since I'm making it to go to work. If you do not have those ingredients, you can use noodles. By the way, I got all of these ingredients at Bravo. You can also get them at Walmart.
Oh, DJ, my love, my day. Somebody walk back, my love, my day. Oh, DJ, my love, my day. Somebody pass you. But if you fall at that time, it goes to pass you. Yeah, yeah. But if you galanty, I call out. And on the numbs, I call out. And I dey burn like banana.
For snack, no bake protein energy bar, I use 1 cup of oats. Feel free to double or triple this recipe if you do have a big family. And I'm also using 1/2 cup of chia seeds, some vanilla syrup, protein. I didn't use protein powder, but I used chocolate chip, some chocolate powder, and also 2 tablespoons of peanut butter.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you find value and it inspires you. I post weekly on the channel. I share about frugal living, intentional living, and also I'm documenting my journey to pay off credit card debt. Don't forget to leave me a comment and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.